Welcome students. Today we'll be discussing about the topic asthma. Asthma is also a common problem faced by many youngsters and adult people throughout their life. So basically we'll be going to discuss about what is asthma. Asthma, we can say it's a condition in which person airways becomes inflamed. Means airways means inflamed means सोजस आ जाती है airways ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਜ ठीक है. And if inflamed then it becomes narrow and it swells. Narrow ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹ ਪੀੜੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ bronchials ਹਨ ठीक है जी. Narrow and swells and produce extra mucus which the person feels difficult to breathe. You can write this definition what I have given it to you in your book also. That is a condition in which person airways become inflamed, narrow and swells and produce extra mucus which makes it difficult to breathe. Okay? You might have observed many people, youngsters, they are facing this problem like asthma. Okay? So asthma in your book it is written, asthma is a common long-term inflammatory disease of airways of the lungs. It is characterized by variable and recurring system with reversible airflow obstruction and bronchospasm. No need of writing this kind of tough language, but just write the same thing I have given it to you, that condition in which asthma is a condition in which person's airways become inflamed, narrow and swell and produce extra mucus which make it difficult to breathe. But only write this definition. Symptoms include episodes such as wheezing. Wheezing means rattling like voice comes from chest. साह ਦੀ आवाज आती है कि person is not able to breathe. Coughing, खंघ आनी शुरू हो जाती है. The person start coughing. And chest tightness and shortness of breath. Tight हो जाती है chest, ऐसा लगता है कि साह ही नहीं हो रहा. The person is not able to expand his chest. So it feels, the person feels like shortness of breath कि मेरे साह नहीं आ रहा. These episodes may occur a few times a day, a few week times. एक आधा दिन भी हो सकता है, हफ्ते च एक बार भी हो सकता है. ठीक है जी. Reason can be anything which we'll be discussing in this topic. Depending on the person, they may become worse at night or with the exercise. ठीक है जी. So it can become worse when person is at work time or night time. ठीक है. The person is not able to breathe properly. So he is facing difficulty in breathing. ठीक है. So what are the causes? What are the causes? So it is not mentioned in your books, but I'll let you know in the small briefly. First causes it can be heredity also. The person get this asthmatic conditions, he inherit from his parents or grandparents. ठीक है. वो genes through transfer हो जाती है बच्चे ਨੂੰ. ठीक है. So causes, no single cause has been identified. So first is genetic. I told you genetic reason also that it is heredity can be there. Then history of viral infection during childhood. Sometimes there is a history of viral infections, chest infections which has occurred during childhood of a person. So it may lead to asthmatic problems in upcoming life. So the person should try to know that sometimes the parents or teachers don't know what has happened to a child. But these asthmatic problems should be diagnosed at early age only if the person wants to cure it or taken care of. Sometimes it can be life threatening also. ठीक है. Asthma can be minor or it can interfere with daily activity. In cases some it may lead to life-threatening attack also. It can be dangerous also. It can be minor also. Minor attack, the person is having that medicine, वो अपना pump कर रहा है, so that he can be saved at that time. But sometimes it can be life threatening, that no person is near to him, but his senses are, he is not in senses, so it can lead to death of a person also. So the next thing is ki, how to prevent asthma. Though we are going through the topic of yoga, but simple things you must take care of. जब कोई अपने asthmatic बंदा अपने नेड़े तेड़े हैगा, something avoid triggers. Triggers means avoid triggers means मैं एक example दूंगा. How do they avoid triggers? What triggers means the person should remain away from the chemicals or smell or products caused which causes asthmatic problems to him. ठीक है? He should stay away from those chemicals and smells which causes problem to him. सब तो the main thing. Reduces exposure to allergens. कि the reduces exposure to allergens. So the person should identify the allergens. Allergens means the substances or things which causes allergy to him, asthmatic allergy, and he should remain away from this allergens. He should not get exposed to these कि suppose कोई stink कर रही है थोड़ी चीज़, ठीक है? कईयों ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਮੀਂਹ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਸਰ ਸਾਹ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਉਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮਿੱਟੀ ਤੋਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? So because dust is more in our area, ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ. The person should not get exposure of this allergen, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So next is कि he should get allergic shots कि ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ daily routine ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ immunity system ਨੂੰ boost ਕਰਦੀਆਂ, ठीक है? He should get allergy shot. Taking preventive medications. Preventive medication means he should take preventive medications so that he should take preventive medications so that it should be avoided before starting of any exercise. कई बार चंगे player भी है, those are suffering from asthma, but they take this medicine before the starting of the match, so that they should not face this kind of problem. So next is कि some points are written in your book, which are the prevention which can be implemented to prevent yourself from asthma. That you shouldn't avoid physical activity because exercise induced asthma. There are steps you can take for preventive asthma symptoms that will allow you to maintain normal physical activity. In fact, many athletes, even Olympic athletes, compete with asthma. देखो, I told you earlier also कि you should keep on exercising, ठीक है? But you should take it with precautions. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਨੇੜੇ ਵੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਗਈ ਤਾਂ the person can help you for that. It is written in your book also that many sports person are competing in Olympics also. They are competing in Olympics also with asthma. Even Priyanka Chopra is suffering from asthma. Our actress Priyanka Chopra. Asthma inhalers or bronchodilators used prior to exercise can be same thing I have told you. It should be used before the exercise or before the competition, so that it can be taken 10 minutes before the exercise, so that it can prevent the airway from contracting. So it should be taken so that it should prevent the airways of that our respiratory system from blocking. Having good control of asthma in general, we also help prevent exercise-induced symptoms. Medication that may be part of routine asthma management include inhaled corticosteroids. So there are many medicines also which are helpful in controlling your asthma. But few points you can write this also. These are the 3 points I have mentioned in the book, this chapter. So topic, so you should write this thing also. In some cases, long-acting beta-2 agonists such as serventafodone may be added to the treatment regime. It depends on the doctor. You must consult a particular doctor for that. You should not take medicine by your own. So many things are there that you should do yoga exercise. Like what I can write, fourth point is do breathing exercise. Breathing, you must do breathing exercises, pranayama and all that. Quick acting treatment you should implement, and long term asthma control medicine. The long term asthma control, long term asthma control medicine. You must use long-term asthma controlling medicine so that you should not feel suffocated at small periods, after small periods. Okay? So these are the few points which are we can use as a precautions or the procedure to avoid asthma. So there are many yoga asanas given in your books. You might have seen. देखो, आसन to cure asthma. ठीक है? 2 points there are very simple, that some people are very prone to this air pollution and all that. If at Delhi, like cities like Delhi, in our Faridkot city there is no such pollution. So people living in this industrial area or Delhi places, they are very prone to these things. They fell this the fall of asthma, prey of asthma very easily. Next is ki asanas to cure asthma. There are few asanas: Sukhasan, Gomukhasana, Pavanmuktasana, and Chakrasana, Bhujangasana, Pachotamasana, Matsyasana. So there are asanas given in your book. Dekho. You must go through it once. These are very simple exercises, yoga asanas. Only from photo only you can write, we sit in this position, with your legs folded, with fingers tips like this. You can see the picture and you must write this. And you should practice this also in daily routine so that these kind of problems should be avoided. Just memorize any 2 or 3 yoga asanas which are helpful in preventing asthma. Sometimes the examiner may ask, explain any 2 asanas, or it can ask any that explain Pachumatam or Chakrasana for controlling asthma. So you should go through these asanas. From the picture only you will memorize everything. Go through it once. Read your book properly, then it will be very helpful to you to control or avoid asthma. So go through these lecture once and try to study carefully because your exams are coming nearby. So thank you very much. We'll meet in next class.